Hello everyone, this is your Dr. Akash Chakravarthy. In this video, I will be talking about dental implants. So, if you are watching this video, chances are that you have been advised for a dental implant or one of your family members have been advised for one. So, traditionally, if you had a missing tooth or your tooth has been lost due to fracture or infection or cavity, you had only two options. One is a FPD, that is fixed partial denture in the form of a bridge, and another is the RPD, that is a removable partial denture. Okay, so in the case of FPD, what you do is you take the adjacent two teeth and grind them and then place a bridge on the top of them, thereby replacing the missing tooth, right? And in the case of RPD, you're given a removable denture which you can wear it whenever you need it, and you have to remove it once after every meal or while you're sleeping. So, neither of these two options sound natural, do they? Okay, so there came along dental implants which revolutionized the field of dentistry. So, what is a dental implant? A dental implant is one of the greatest inventions in dentistry which replicates a natural tooth. That's right. So, this is an implant which is made up of titanium. It is placed inside your bone, and the bone unites with this implant, thereby forming a permanent bond, and we build a tooth on the top of this implant, right? And do you know what the cherry on the cake is? This entire process is a completely pain-free process. That's right. It is a pain-free process, and even after you place the implant, you wouldn't even know that there is an implant inside. And after that, after you get a tooth built on the top of this implant, this particular tooth is going to function, look just like your natural tooth. About 99% of it at least. With this solution, you can replace even one tooth or your entire jaw with fixed teeth. Now, how long do dental implants last? Dental implants are designed to last forever. Yes, these are not like your root canal treatment crowns which will last you 15 to 20 years. This is a permanent bond with your bone. And as long as you maintain them properly and follow the instructions your dentist gives you and go for your regular dental visits, dental checkups after your implantation, you're good to go for the rest of your life. To understand how this is a lifetime process, you need to understand a key term called osseointegration. In simple words, this is called uniting with the bone. Okay, and this is possible only for one metal called titanium, which is right. This is the same metal used for your dental implants, right? Now, when the bone cells form around this implant, they unite with the implant and thereby forming a permanent bond. This is the reason why your implant functions like a natural tooth. All right, let's get into the advantages and disadvantages. First, let's go to the disadvantages. The obvious disadvantage is there is a surgical component involved in this. You will have to go through a minor oral surgery. It is definitely painless surgery. Another disadvantage is you will have to wait for this osseointegration to happen, which is typically 3 to 6 months, depending upon your bone type and the kind of implants we use. There are also immediate loading options available, but these will be temporary and they will not be permanent. Now let's get to the advantages part. The first big advantage is this implant functions like your natural tooth. While you're eating, while you're talking, while you're smiling, it just looks, feels and functions like your natural tooth. Now, replacing with your implant, it prevents the supra-eruption of the above teeth or the below teeth and the migration of adjacent teeth. That's right. Whenever the tooth is missing, the adjacent teeth migrate into its place and the opposite tooth supra-erupts into this place, thereby disturbing the occlusion, thereby disturbing the temporomandibular joint. It's all complicated. We'll do another video separately on this topic. Now, the second biggest advantage of this is it is a completely painless procedure. That's right. You're thinking, oh, this doctor wants to put an implant in my bone and it is painless? Yes, that's right. There are no nerve endings inside the bone. That's why whatever you do inside the bone is completely painless. So we place the implant into the bone And even after the placement, the only way you will know that the implant is inside is by taking an X-ray and showing it to you that there is an implant inside your bone. That's right. They are so silent inside. The third biggest advantage is this is a permanent process. This is not a temporary fix. This is one of those dental treatments. This is one of those investments which is worthwhile. So, after listening to all of this, if you're considering for dental implants, please go for it. It's a wonderful thing. There is no harm coming out of dental implants. If you're thinking about the price of a dental implant, whatever the price is, it is worth it because the other options are just not cut out for permanent treatment. Dental implants are a permanent treatment option and do not damage your adjacent teeth. So that's a brief introduction about dental implants. If you have further queries, please do reach out to us in the comment section below, or you can visit us at Saritha Dental Clinic located at AS Ram Nagar, KPHB and Malkajgiri.